Welcome to this module on the role of kings in construction and the maintenance of temples in Mesopotamia. As the archaeological records show to us, the villages were periodically relocated in the Mesopotamian history. Why? Due to the floods which are caused in the rivers and change in the course of the river. Why they are relocating? Due to floods. Why the floods are caused? Because they change their course of the river. What are the rivers we are talking about? River Tigris and River Euphrates. Is it a natural problem? No. This was a man-made problem as well. How can we say that it is a man-made problem? Why we are calling this as a man-made problem? Because the people, those who lived in the upstream, they used to stretch off the channel, they used to divert it so much, the water into their own field, that the villages of the downstream were left out without water. So they used to divert the flow of the river into their fields, and there is no water left for the downstream area villages. That's where it is resulting in floods, because there is a course change of the river. When there was a continuous warfare in this region, the chiefs, the warlords who had been successful in a war, could oblige their followers by distributing the loot. What they got after distributing their neighbors or their enemies, they used to carry that loot, and also they would take the soldiers of the opposite army as prisoners from the defeated group to employ them in the temples for various works. So, the chiefs who win the war were obliged to have their followers to distribute the loot what they got in the new kingdom what is added to them. They would also take the defeated group members, the soldiers especially, as prisoners, and they would employ them in the temples for various works. In time, the victorious chiefs began to offer the precious booty to the gods, and with that booty, with that fund what they got, they used that fund to beautify the community temples and make their mark over it. So this is the reason why there were many beautiful, magnificent temples that were constructed in the Mesopotamian history. Stay tuned, we'll catch you in the next section.